Okay, to use an array in conjunction with a file, we already have our array, so let's go ahead and write a file using the values we have in this array. The steps, as we already know, is to open the file. Then we need to process the file. And forgot to use my and we're going to use this loop right here to process the file. We're going to modify it. And then we need to close the file. All right, so opening the file, we declare a stream writer. I'm going to call it output file. And I'm going to do a file dot create text. And I am going to call it values.txt for the name of my file. I am getting some errors here. We need to import system.io so that it knows where to find StreamReader. And my autocomplete didn't work correctly here. So there we go, file.create values.text. All right, now instead of adding our items to our display, our list box display on our form, instead, let's do output file.writeLine, and we will write the temp number because we're using a for each loop, and we can process items in a for each loop. I can't assign things or change values, but I can process an output using it, so I will do that. And then close the file. And there's our 3 steps. I'm going to leave this in so we know when it's done writing the file. It's going to add this to our list box that we have on our form. Let's go ahead and run this. And I will hit go. And it says done. That means it's written the file for us. So let me go over here and open my right click, and I'll open it in File Explorer. And in the bin debug folder, there's our values.txt file. We'll open it with Notepad. And there's their values 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and 21. The value in doing this instead of writing them directly is that we have it stored somewhere. We can reuse these values over and over. And we're going to see in a little bit some algorithms where we can take these arrays and process them. So the next thing I'm going to do is load some values from a file. I'm going to do that in the next video. And once we do that, we'll start playing with some of those other algorithms.